into the room, passing out $100 bills, and it kills and it thrills like the horns on my Silverado grill. By the bar up around a crown, and everybody's getting down in this town. Ain't never gonna be the same, 'cause I saddle up my horse and I ride into the city and make a lot of noise, 'cause the girls, they are so pretty. Riding up and down Broadway on my old stud Leroy, and the girls say, save a horse, ride a cowboy. Everybody say, save a horse, ride a cowboy. Well, I don't give a dang about nothing. I'm singing and bling-blinging while the girls are drinking long necks down, and I wouldn't trade a Leroy for my Chevrolet Pure Escalade. I'm a freak parade, I'm the only John Wayne left in this town. I saddle up my horse and I ride into the city, make a lot of noise, 'cause the girls, they are so pretty. Riding up and down Broadway on my old stud Leroy, and the girls say, save a horse, ride a cowboy. Everybody say, save a horse, ride a cowboy. She said in the back of my truck, bet as I was getting buzzed on suds out on some backcountry road. We were flying high, fine as wine, having ourselves a big and rich time, and I was going just about as far as she let me go. But her evaluation of my cowboy reputation had me begging for salvation all night long. So I took her out, kicking froze, introduced her to my old bird dog, and singing every Willie Nelson song I can think of, and we made love, and I saddled up my horse. I ride into the city, make a lot of noise, 'cause the girls, they are so pretty. Riding up and down Broadway on my old stud Leroy, and the girls say, save a horse, ride a cowboy. Everybody say, save a horse, ride a cowboy. Everybody say, save a horse, ride a cowboy. Everybody say, save a horse, ride a cowboy.